In this video, I'll show you how to add gradient text in Google Slides. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Slides does not currently offer a normal gradient text option for regular text boxes, the way some design apps do. Google's help for slides shows color controls and custom colors, but not direct gradient text formatting for standard text. So the practical workaround is to use word art, because word art behaves more like a shape and can use fill-style formatting. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer, then click Insert and choose Word Art. Type the text you want, then press Enter. Your text will appear on the slide as word art instead of a normal text box. That matters because word art gives you shape-style formatting controls, including fill and outline options. Now click the word art text so it is selected. Go to the toolbar and open the Fill Color menu. In the menu, choose Gradient. From there, you can pick one of the preset gradient styles right away. If you want a simple effect, this is the fastest method. Google Slides tutorials and long-standing product behavior show gradient fill being available through the Fill menu for word art and shape-like objects. If you want more control, open the gradient options and create a custom gradient. You can choose the gradient type, such as linear or radial, adjust the angle, and change the colors used in the blend. That lets you create effects like gold text, rainbow text, or a soft two-color fade. Since Google's official color help confirms Slides supports custom colors with Hex and RGB values, you can use those exact brand colors in your gradient stops for a cleaner design. After that, you can improve the look even more by changing the outline color, outline thickness, and font. Word art in Slides can also be resized and stretched more freely than a normal text box, which makes it useful for titles, covers, or section headers. So the basic idea is simple. Insert word art, select it, open Fill Color, choose Gradient, and then pick a preset or create your own custom gradient. That's the easiest way to add gradient text in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.